Namaste friends, welcome back to my channel. Friends, in today's video, we are going to make these tiny cubical stud earrings. You can see the shape. This is in cube shape, as you can see, and such tiny earrings, beautiful tiny stud earrings, and they would really look gorgeous with your western wears. And here you can see that I have made these earrings in lilac color, and I'm going to show you some more colorways in these beautiful stud earrings. Here I have made these in amethyst color, transparent amethyst color, and the other one is in green color. You can see these. So such beautiful tiny studs, and you can also use these tiny cubical stud as ear post for your dangler earrings, and that I'll be showing you in my upcoming video. And in this video we are going to make these beautiful, these cute tiny cubical stud earrings in this pink and green color. So let us see what all material do we need to make these cutie earrings. Friends, for making our tiny cubical stud, we would need these Superduos. Here I am using these Superduos in pearl shine light pink color. Then I will be using these 11Os. These are Miyuki duracoat galvanized champagne 11Os and 15Os in two colors. You can use 15Os in a single color, but here I would be using in two colors. This is Miyuki duracoat galvanized champagne 15Os, and these are Miyuki duracoat galvanized dark seafoam 15Os. Here I am using these 3mm pearls in scarabus green color, and these ear post, these are 6 by 12mm ear post. I would be working with Hana thread and size 12 beading needle. So let's get started. Friends, we would start making our tiny cubical stud by picking up these 4 Superduos, and now I am bringing them down towards the end of my thread, and here I'll be tying a double knot like this. And now I will pass through all these 4 Superduos once again and bring this tail in between these Superduos like this. And into this Superduo like this. So here you can see that as I'm exiting through this Superduo, and now I will pick up 2 15O champagne, 1 3mm pearl and 2 15O champagne like this. So here you can see that I have picked up 2 15O champagne, 1 3mm pearl and 2 15O champagne, and now I'm going to pass through this same Superduo like this. Bring these beads on the top here, and now I will pass through this next Superduo and into the third Superduo, which is just opposite of this Superduo to which I added these beads. And now I am going to pick up 2 15O champagne and pass through this 3mm pearl like this. Again pick up 2 15O champagne and pass through this same Superduo. So after adding these 15Os and 3mm pearl, this is the look of a tiny cubical stud. And now as you can see that I'm exiting through this Superduo, I will pick up 1 11O champagne and pass through this next Superduo. Again picking up 1 11O champagne and passing through this next Superduo, picking up 1 11O champagne, passing through this next Superduo. In this way I am adding these 11O champagne in between these Superduos. So here I have added these 4 11 champagne, and now I'm stepping up into the first 11 champagne that I added in this round. And now I'm moving up through these two 15 champagne like this. Pick up 2 15 galvanized seafoam and going down through this next pair of 15 champagne like this into the 11 champagne, up through these two 15 champagne, again pick up 2 galvanized seafoam, going down through these two 15 champagne into this 11 champagne, moving up through the 2 15 champagne, again picking up 2 15 galvanized seafoam, going down through these two 15 champagne into the 11 champagne, moving up into the 2 15 galvanized champagne, and here I'm picking up my last pair of 15 seafoam and going down into these two 15 champagne and into the 11 champagne. Now after adding these two 15 galvanized seafoam and going down through these two 15 champagne, right now I'm exiting through this 11 champagne. So this is the look of our tiny cubicle earring after adding these 15 seafoam on the top. And now as I exit through this 11 champagne, I'm going to pick up 2 15 champagne and pass through the top hole of this Superduo, again picking up 2 15 champagne and pass through this 11 champagne, picking up 2 15 champagne and passing through this Superduo, again picking up 2 15 champagne, passing through this 11 champagne. So I would be adding these pairs of 15s in the same way all through this round. So right now I'm exiting, I'm adding this to the 11 champagne and into the Superduo, and here I'm adding my last pair of 15s and passing through this 11 champagne. So here is our earring, our cute stud cubicle stud earring, and after adding this pair of 15s, you can see that right now I'm exiting through this 11 champagne. Now as we have reached the back side to add the ear post, let us first cut this tail off from the earring, and as I exit through this 11 champagne, now I'm going to pick up 5 15 champagne and pass through this next 11 champagne, again picking up 5 15 champagne, and I'm passing through this next 11 champagne. Here at the back side we are creating a net for our ear post. So again I'm picking up 5 15s and passing through this next 11 champagne, and now my last set of 5 15s, and here I'm passing through the first 11, and this is the look. And now I will step up into the first 3 15s of the first set. That is, I'm exiting through the middle 15, that is the third 15 of the first set, and now I'm picking up 1 15 champagne and passing through this middle 15, that is the third 15 of the next set. Again picking up 1 15 champagne and passing through the middle 15, which is the third 15 of the next set again, and again picking up 15 champagne, and I'm passing through the middle 15, that is the third 15 of the next set, and my last 15 champagne, passing through the middle 15 of the first set. So here we have created the net, but before pulling our thread too tight, we are going to place our ear post into it. And now we will pull our thread, just pushing these beads on the top on the ear post like this, and now stepping up into the 15 that we added in the last round, and now we are going to pass through all the 4 15 that we added in this round, only those 4 15 just to fix our ear post. Here I would be passing through all these 4 15 twice, like this, and now into this 15, the middle 15 of the set, the previous set, into this 15 and into the middle 15. Now I'm passing through these 3 15 into this 15 and the middle 15. Into the middle 15 of this set, into this 15 and the middle 15 of the previous set, and into the 2 15s. So this is the look, and now I will move down into these 2 15s, up through these 2 15s and into the middle one, going down through these 2 15s, up through these 3 15s, down through these 2 15s, up through these 3 15s, again down through these 2 15s, up through these 3 15s, down through these 2 15s, and now I will tie a knot in between these 2 15s like this, move up into these 3 15s, again going down, again tying a knot in between these 2 15s, and again moving up, and into the couple of these 15s, and now we can cut our thread off. So friends, here we have completed our tiny cubical stud earrings in pink and green color, and some more of these earrings, some more of the colorways that I have shown you at the beginning of the video are these lilac color. Then I had shown you the amethyst, and the last one in green, transparent, or you can see rainbow, you can say that rainbow green color. So these are some of the colorways that I have made in this tiny cubicle stud earrings, and I hope you would love making these cuties. And friends, you can also use these cuties as standalone earrings and also as the ear post for your dangler earrings. In my upcoming video I will be showing you how to use them as ear post for your dangler earrings. So please turn on the notification icon so that you may get notified when I'll upload my next video. And please don't forget to subscribe my channel and share it with your friends. So I hope you would love making these and gifting these to your friends and families. So friends, please stay tuned and please do press the bell icon and get notified when I'll upload my next video. Thank you.